The overseas has long been Vacheron Constantin's answer to the Royal Oak and the Nautilus, a luxury sports watch with serious pedigree, tracing its roots back to the iconic 222. Since 2016, the modern overseas has taken on countless forms, from time and date to chronographs, retrograde moons, and even a grande complication. But today, we're looking at one of the most elegant, the overseas Perpetual calendar ultra thin, now in two stunning new editions. Technically, nothing changes. The watch still measures 41.5 millimeters across, with a case that feels surprisingly compact on the wrist. The real magic is its thickness, just 8.1 millimeters. Not the absolute thinnest Perpetual calendar out there, but among the slimmest, especially when you consider just how much information is on display. The design is classic overseas, a barrel-shaped case topped with the notched Maltese cross bezel. Both versions come on beautifully finished gold bracelets with Vacheron's Easy Fit system for quick micro adjustments. And thanks to the brand's quick release system, each also comes with two additional rubber straps and a matching gold folding clasp. Inside beats the caliber 1120 QP, a legendary ultra-thin automatic movement, once tied to the 222, now fully made in-house. It powers hours, minutes, moon phase, and a perpetual calendar showing the day, month, leap year, and even a 48-month cycle, all certified by the hallmark of Geneva. The first new edition is full pink gold, case, bracelet, dial, markers, and even the moon phase, pure monochrome elegance. The second is more dramatic, pairing a white gold case with a deep burgundy lacquered dial, tone-on-tone subdials, and white gold accents. Both models join Vacheron's permanent collection, each priced at €134,000, including taxes. Ultra-thin, ultra-refined, and unmistakably overseas. Which of these two would you pick? The full pink gold or the burgundy white gold? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more high watchmaking reviews.